Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Manu Ishu ACCA classes. So if you are an ACCA Performance Management student or pursuing your higher study like MBA or BBS, so today's topic is for you. We will cover the key concept of contribution and the break-even point in the context of a single product. So these concepts are essential not just for exam but also for the real world decision making. So let's move into the topic. So first, let's understand what is the contribution. So contribution represents the amount of each unit sold contributes toward covering fixed cost and generating profit. Here is the formula. So basically the formula for the contribution per unit is selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. So for example, if your selling price is 50, okay, so if your selling price of the product is 50 and the variable cost is 30, so in that case, if we will deduct 30 from the 50, we will have remaining amount 20, and this is the contribution that will goes toward covering the fixed cost and eventually the profit. Okay, so now let's move to the break-even point. So it is the point where total revenue equals to your total cost. That means fixed cost as well as variable cost. This means there will be no profit and no loss situation. The formula for the BP is, if the question has asked you to calculate BP in terms of unit, then take a fixed cost and divide it by contribution per unit. But if the question asked you to calculate break-even point in terms of dollar or pound or in any currency, in that case, you need to divide the fixed cost by CS ratio. That means contribution to sales ratio. We earlier discussed how to calculate contribution. So if you divide that contribution by sales, you will get the CS ratio. Now, let's move to the formula. For example, if your fixed costs are 10,000 and your contribution per unit is 20 as we calculated earlier in example. So BP in the terms of unit will be your 500 unit dividing the fixed cost of 10,000 by 20. And if the BP, if you want to calculate in terms of any currency, then divide by CS ratio, and that is 0.4. So 20 divided by the selling price per unit, that is the 50, as we have taken in our previous example. So this will give you BP in terms of currency. So this is for the single product, and in coming a video I will show you how to calculate contribution BP in terms of multiple product. So stay tuned with my channel for more updates like this. Thank you so much. Have a good day.